Are you ready to dive into the passionate world of Turkish dramas, where intense rivalries ignite into unforgettable romances? Even if you're new to Turkish series, don't worry, you can enjoy these captivating stories with English subtitles. Let's embark on this journey as we count down the Top 10 Haters to Lovers Turkish Drama Series of 2024 to 2025. At number 10, we have Zembilli, and its English name is The Mystic's Tale. Deep in the heart of Anatolia, four childhood friends grow up bound by loyalty and shared dreams. However, as they step into adulthood, ambition, betrayal, and family rivalries put their friendship to the test. What starts as playful competition soon turns into fierce animosity. Yet, when fate forces them back together, will old wounds reopen, or will love emerge from the ashes of their past? To uncover their fate, watch this gripping tale. At number 9, we have Ayazın Sonu Güneş, and its English name is Here Comes the Sun. Guns has always lived in the shadows of injustice, but when her brother is wrongfully imprisoned, she makes it her mission to find the real culprit. Her search leads her to Ayaz, the heir to a powerful company, who unknowingly holds the key to the truth. Their first encounters are filled with anger and suspicion, but as secrets unravel, emotions they never expected begin to take over. Will Guns let go of her vengeance, or will love change her destiny? Watch to find out. At number 8, we have Kalpazan, and its English name is The Counterfeiter. A man who has built his life on lies is suddenly faced with an unexpected challenge, a woman determined to bring him down. He's a master forger, she's an ambitious investigator, and their battle of wits soon turns into something far more dangerous, an undeniable attraction. But can love bloom between two people on opposite sides of the law? To see how their twisted game unfolds, don't miss this thrilling drama. At number 7, we have Gaddar, and its English name is No Mercy. After years of military service, Dan returns home to find his once peaceful neighborhood now ruled by crime. Determined to protect his family, he is forced to make a life-altering choice: join the underworld or watch everything he loves fall apart. In the midst of this chaos, he meets a woman who despises everything he represents. But as their paths cross again and again, hatred gives way to something neither of them expected. Will Dan escape the darkness, or will love be his redemption? Watch to find out. At number 6, we have Yal Kaplan, and its English name is The Kingfisher. In Istanbul's elite society, Ferit, a notorious playboy, enjoys a life of privilege and pleasure. But when he is forced into an arranged marriage with Seyran, a strong-willed woman from a modest background, neither of them is prepared for the storm that follows. Their relationship begins with resentment, but as they face family expectations and hidden truths, something deeper starts to take root. Can love flourish where only obligation existed? Tune into this passionate drama to find out. At number 5, we have Gizli Bas, and its English name is The Secret Garden. Some places hold stories of the past, and for Daphne, a mysterious garden in a forgotten village hides the truth she has been searching for. When she meets Ozan, the man determined to keep her away from the secrets buried there, their conflict is immediate and intense. Yet, the more they fight, the closer they are drawn to each other. Will the garden reveal its secrets, or will love lead them somewhere unexpected? Watch this mesmerizing drama to uncover the truth. At number 4, we have Bir Sevdadra, and its English name is A Love Story. Two strangers, brought together by fate, couldn't be more different. One is fueled by ambition, the other by a painful past, and their first meeting is anything but pleasant. Forced to work together, they clash at every turn, but beneath the surface, something undeniable begins to take shape. Will their hearts find a way to overcome their differences, or will fate pull them apart? Find out in this heartfelt drama. At number 3, we have Jelen, and its English name is The Bride. Hansa has never had the luxury of choosing her own destiny. When she agrees to an arranged marriage with Sihan, the heir of a powerful family, it's only to save her younger brother. What begins as a cold, businesslike relationship soon turns into a battle of wills. Yet, As their pasts come back to haunt them, hatred starts to melt into something far more dangerous, love. But will love be enough to break the chains of duty and deception? To witness their journey, watch this unforgettable drama. At number 2, we have Kara A. Destin, and its English name is The Legend of the Black Tree. For generations, two powerful families have been locked in a bitter feud. When a young woman from one family and a man from the other cross paths, their hatred is instant, their battles fierce. But as they uncover the forgotten history of their ancestors, they begin to realize that their family's past is intertwined in ways they never imagined. Will they rewrite the future? Or will history repeat itself? Find out in this epic saga. And finally, at number 1, we have Uzak Sahir, and its English name is Distant City. Alia Albora, a woman seeking closure, returns to Mardin with her late husband's body and their young son. She plans to fulfill his last wish and leave, but the powerful Albora family refuses to let her go. Sihan, the family's head, becomes both her captor and her greatest challenge. Trapped in a city where secrets run deep and love battles with fate, Alia's hatred for Sihan begins to shift into something far more complicated. Will she find the freedom she longs for, or will love rewrite her destiny? Dive into this mysterious love story to find out. These dramas prove that love and hate are two sides of the same coin, where fiery clashes turn into passionate romances. Which of these stories captivated you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting Turkish drama content.